Mongolia. Yo, we are back again with SHUWU, man. Chat, everybody said that I gotta check out SHUWU. This is he got some. His flow is menacing. He go crazy stuff, bro. Hold up, bro. SHUWU, if you're watching this, bro, make sure you leave a comment or something. You know what I'm saying? Chat, all right, man. Today I'm checking out SHUWU. Is that how I say his name? SHUWU. All right, we're checking out two songs, SHUWU Oronhorn, and then the other one is called CLUBIIN. CLUBIIN? All right, man, we're gonna start with the music video right here. All right, let's get it. CLUBIIN Cinderella.
Double H.
Энийхүү дандууд юу ч алчаарахгүй тул чамайг явсныг хараагүй Үрийн 6 цаг өтгөн манан дотор чиний төрхийг санах уу
Let's go.
Клабын гэрэл бүжиж байсан хийж үгүй We sipping bottle of the bottle on the хэрэггүй 12 цаг болгож чиний суусан машин дэвэргүй Яг лүүс
I love the voice though. He got that like the type extentation type of vibe, type of voice. I mean. Yes. Hold on. Yes. Okay. All right. Fire. Yes. Cinderella. Damn, she bad. Yes. Let's go. I love the type of flow you on though. He got like that type of like chill type of rap, you know what I'm saying?
Drink it up, feel my body flow like water. Around me, know that I'm getting harder. Drink it up, feel my body flow like water.
Yes.
Heartbroken, wide open.
Okay. Hey. Yes. Bro, why the Mongolian language sounds so good though? Like the way you guys speak it though, I'm telling you, it sounds like, you know what I'm saying? Like I want to speak that so bad. One thing I can though, I speak like 10 languages. But the Mongolian language, it sounds so good. Like, you know, I don't know, it may be like, I don't know, bro. It sounds way cooler. Yes. Damn. Yes. Hold on. I'm way too broken. Can you be my eyebrow fan? Oh man, that's a cute bar. Okay, I see you coming with some bars. We sipping bottle of the bottle on the kirigo. I don't know your talk, but watching it so some machine there go. Yeah, don't feel German, dude, All right, let's go to the next song right here. Oronhorn. Oronhorn. All right, let's get it. The beat sounds sad. Pain is money.
Чинамаг үзэн ядны өгсөн лүвийг шатан би чамаг үжааг чи мэдэж байна утасны цаан чинамаг юу хийдийг сэн мэдэн нүцгэн зургийг чинь харж одоо жижиг чинь сталк чиний сториг чинь нар одоо хоосон залуусыг чинь
Whoa, let's go back. Hey, yo, that's crazy.
би чамаг үжааг чи мэдэж байна утасны цаан чинамаг юу хийдийг сэн мэдэн нүцгэн зургийг чинь харж одоо жижиг чинь сталк чиний сториг чинь нар одоо хоосон залуусыг чинь чиний усыг чинь
I feel like we've all been in that type of situation, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you still want the girl, bro. But like, you gotta, you know what I'm saying? Like, the girl you used to like, bro. You still stalk her, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. If you've never been on that type of situation, bro, I don't know, bro. I feel like you just don't have feelings. Cause like, bro, I'm telling you, we all used to be on that type of situation, though. You know?
That's crazy.
Yes. I like that. It's never been too late to apologize, bro. I feel like just apologizing to people could actually just heal this world, but I'm telling you, if we really do apologize to each other, bro, we could make this world a better place. I'm telling you.
Мэдгүй түүний зэрэгт байхдаа үргэлж янаа гэлэлсэн чиний ядам хороондох шигтгэ хэснүү түндүмэн күүгийн новтай байсан гэж намайг үзэн ядны өгсөн лүвийг шатаад би чамайг үжааг чи мэдэж байна утасны цаан чи намайг юу хийдийг сэн мэдэн нүцгэн зургийг чинь харж одоо жижиг чинь стал чиний сториг чинь нар одоо залуусыг чинь чиний чиний усыг чинь
Yes.
Walking the plan, бүгжсэн над чи жаргалтай бай би чамайг олох гэж чийсэн олон удаа намуна цогцчих бас цулаад бүгд тоотлаа Моё бичсэн бүгд үсгэн бэлгийн суудрал өдөр бүр мөнгөгийн завгүй би ядаж жуулаа Дэди бас хэнэси чэмсэн бүгдийн доо хотос би карн би хашиг чим замар хоортлон тэгж очин хинийгэн үдэлж олон юм болтнаа
This is a good song though. I love this one though.
Одын гаруудыг гэлгээдэг бурхан буутаад чинамаг үзэн ядны өгсөн лүвийг шатан би чамайг үжааг чи мэдэж байна утасны цаан чинамаг юу хийдийг сэн мэдэн нүцгэн зургийг чинь харж одоо жижиг чинь стал чиний сториг чинь нар одоо хоосон залуусыг чинь чиний уруудыг үс чиний усыг чинь тайлан одоо хоохийн нэгэнтэй чи walking the plan бүгжсэн над чи жаргалтай байгаа
He's good, but I like the way he actually put he always have the English lyrics in it too, bro. I think he got a new music video. Should we check it out? This one right here. Do we get the captions though? Oh, sweet then. Let's check it out.
You know what? Actually, this time I'm gonna win.
Man, how many times have I heard that?
I keep saying it.
Bro, I hate the fact that in America, people don't know this too much, bro. But these guys are fire, bro. We're tired of playing Uno, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Mongolia, bring this to USA, bro. I'm telling you, these are fire, bro. I grew up playing this every day, bro.
How many times have I heard that?
I keep saying it until I actually do.
Two. And you lost. Game.
What? Guess I'm gonna try my luck outside.
Oh yeah? You could try it somewhere else.
bitch. I don't give a fuck, talk so chat, go hinge. Mit this book im Shin, mini dip, mini ginge.
Yes.
Mini tages engage. I cannot trust no one. Nur der in den nigga charat mutlach net all the shit. I don't give a fuck, get it mon goes bitch. Bitch shaking ass, but ik monster get it. Shorty no coke, so I'm close, so I'm smith. Balling on my haters in the dog.
Shorty sucking me like a vacuum cleaner. That's crazy, bro. She must be killing you or something. Like a vacuum cleaner is crazy, bro. She must be sucking you. She killing you, bro. Oh, hell no.
So I'm close, so I'm smith. Balling on my haters in the dogs on my gig. 10 toes down, never fall in this bitch.
Hold on.
Put your thoughts on the shit. Fuck that.
Yes.
I'm be most high, yeah. Je har al dat spelen minimum site. Want boek het gang, boek het dat, ja, son. Angry bird, get you nutter pump, son.
Yes.
Hoort om als je haast en je gaat. Ik moet gaan zeggen niet, ja, don't wanna make songs right now. Edit with the dogs right now. Mini clock right down.
Nice video. Yes. Yes.
I came from the mud, till ik ook ben een bitch. I don't give a fuck, toch zo chat, go hinge. Met dit boek im Shin, mini dip, mini ginge.
Yes.
Mini tages engage. I cannot trust no one. Noem erin en ik weet charat mutlach net all the shit. I don't give a fuck, get it mon goes a bitch. Bitch shaking ass, but ik monster get up. Dat is dat, I don't play.
But the flow is so milk and tea at the same time, bro.
Shaking ass, but ik monster get up. Dat is dat,
Yes.
I don't play. Get it, that's a knock, Ginny boy, say the queen. Ice on my neck, but ik tongue tot de queen. Voor een headshot, not het koch, get it queen.
Let's go.
Get on my way. Little dog, look at my name.
My nail, let's. Yes. Yes. Hold on. Yes. 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 Down.
I came from the mud, till ik ook ben een bitch. I don't
Yes.
give a fuck, toch zo chat, go hinge. Met this book im Shin, mini dip, mini ginge.
Yes.
Mini tages engage. I cannot trust no one.
No one.
En nigga charat mutlach net all the shit. I don't give a fuck, get it mon goes a fish. Bitch shaking ass, but ik monster get it.
Fire. Fire. The flow in the, you know what I'm saying? Like it's nice. Yeah. Yeah, bro is talented. Clean. Clean. Smooth, bro. SHUWU. The video is nice though. He got some nice videos though. Oh, that's tough. Oh, nice, man. So listen now, man. If it's your first time, make sure you click the like up, sub up, and let me know what's your next, man. Peace.